Hey guys, today I'll show you how you can add trusted connections on Roblox. So let's get started. First, open Roblox and go to the home page of your account. Before adding someone as a trusted connection, make sure that the person is not already added as your friend or connection. If they are already in your connections list, you will first need to remove them before setting them up again as a trusted connection. Now, look for the Connect option on the screen and click on it. After that, select the option called My QR. When you open this option, Roblox will generate a QR code linked to your account. Next, the person you want to add as a trusted connection needs to scan this QR code. They can do this by using the camera on their mobile phone or by using the QR scanner inside the Roblox app. Once they scan the code, they'll be able to send you a connection request. If you're using a mobile device, there's another way to add a connection. You can tap on the Contact option and add the person directly using your phone contacts. However, for this method to work, your friend must have their phone number linked to their Roblox account. There are also some requirements you must meet before trusted connections can work. Both you and the other person must have verified your age on Roblox, and your accounts must be 13 years old or older. Without meeting these requirements, the Trusted Connection feature will not be available. If you both meet the requirements, but the connection still doesn't show as trusted, you can try the reverse method. Ask your friend to open their QR code and then scan their code from your device instead. This usually fixes the issue and allows the trusted connection to be created. After completing these steps, the person will be successfully added as your trusted connection on Roblox. That's it. I'll be back with more in the next video.